Hi, my name is India, and this is how I edit my mixed media animations in partnership with Adobe Video. Before I start recording, the first thing I like to do is plan out a couple shots, just so I know what I need to record before I actually get started. So usually I'll just make a quick list of a couple shots that I think I'll need, and then I'll draw a couple thumbnail sketches just so that I have a reference to work off of. After that, I go ahead and get everything filmed, and then I sit down to edit. The first thing I do is open up Adobe Premiere Pro. After that, I import the files that I'm going to be editing. The first one was the background that I wanted to use, and then next I imported the video that I wanted to play over the background. The next thing you want to do is use the masking tool to outline the subject of your video so that you can remove the background. Once you've completed this step, you'll be able to place the subject of that video over the background that you imported earlier. This next step is the most tedious, but you want to go frame by frame and just adjust the mask so that it's always outlining the subject of the video. Try it for yourself with Adobe Premiere Pro.